Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL. And today I'm working on pattern 7883 on friendshipbracelets.net. And this is a arrowhead-like pattern, but it's different in the way that it makes the little arrow things. It kind of comes together in a point and then kind of just past that makes a diamond of 4 knots, which is cool. It's a cool thing. The only real difficulty I had with it was the fact that I was making this fade of a very deep dark red down to yellow, and I had made the pattern in a rainbow, because when you do a fade, like 6 colors fading from one to another, getting the shades right and trying to make sure that you're where you're supposed to be can be very difficult, and sometimes it's easier to count from the darkest to lightest using the rainbow. But in this case, it was just, I don't know, I kept losing track of like where the string was that I was working with, especially at the beginning. Towards the end, I stopped caring and just kind of kept track of the lightest color, because that's the one that kind of gives the signal that the end is coming up. And it's also the color that's right in the middle of it. So just concentrating on that bright yellow was enough to pretty much figure out where everything was. And once I got that kind of worked out, it became much easier. The overall work for this took just over an hour. It was like an hour and 5 minutes, a little bit longer for a 12-string bracelet. But again, you know, I spent kind of a while first getting it started, worrying about like, okay, so that was the purple, so the next one is the blue, and where am I now, and you know, are we up to the green yet? And yeah, it was just a little confusing, to say the least, at first. The little single knots out on the edge, sort of, there's a few points where it kind of looks like the edge isn't even, but when I pulled the bracelet taunt, that all kind of went away, flattened itself right out. But it is the kind of thing that would probably hang up a new user, you know, somebody that's not really mastered the zigzag knots, might have a little bit of trouble here and there with this bracelet. String wise, all the strings got used pretty evenly. Some of the darker ones seem to be a little bit more, but it really kind of balanced out. There was no, you know, clear, oh my gosh, I almost ran out of string kind of thing going on. So that was fine. Yeah, it's a cool bracelet. I think some of you will really have some fun making it, and you can make it out of whatever colors. Like the original, it was, well, I want to say the original was a rainbow, but it was not it was the 6 colors of the rainbow, just not in rainbow order, which was weird. If you want to do the rainbow, you could go to my pattern over on my website. It is done in the order of a rainbow. So that might be helpful. But I did also make it flip in the middle. So the original is just going one direction with an arrowhead just going one way. I personally thought that's fun and all, but flipping it in the middle, I thought it would be kind of neat. Especially since the colors are kind of like a flame, and having it kind of burst out from the center, I thought kind of made that a little bit more dramatic. I am curious if I had made the darkest color the absolute center, because you'll see here shortly the center actually has the bright yellow, just for like that 4 diamond square in the actual center of it. I'm wondering if it would have been more dramatic to have had the darkest color there and have not gone with the last one. Why I didn't is it would have been a lot less of the dark color actually showing up at all if I had done it that way. It would be just that one little diamond and then whatever's out on the outer edges. So that's why, yeah, see, there's the yellow diamond. That's why it's the way it is. I just wanted to have a little bit more of that dark color show up in the middle to kind of give it that look. Now it's, now that it starts to go the other way, I think too, it sort of just felt easier. Like sometimes directionally it can be kind of even, either direction, doesn't matter. But I think honestly, I think I had a better time of it with it in the downward motion. So if you're going to just do it one direction for the whole bracelet, I would probably recommend the arrowheads going downwards with it. I don't know the pattern itself, which direction do they have it? Yeah, so they have it going down as well, or it's going to the right on the top, and then the pattern, if you actually follow their pattern, it would be downwards. So that's maybe why it's just a little bit easier, I guess. We're past the center, the middle of it. I need to thank my YouTube members. It's a promise I have to them that I will show their names on screen for helping to contribute to this channel. If you want your name added to the list, it's really easy. It's the join button next to subscribe, and I will put your name up there as well. And you can be in all my videos. And that would be nice because it helps the channel greatly. So, yeah, I think you can kind of tell, like this going down, whatever, that maybe it's just a little bit quicker, a little bit easier. I was working a really long way from the clip there. I did just notice that. Usually working closer to the clip helps to have the consistency better because your work isn't moving around so much. So yeah, there's the lightest one is starting to work its way in. Yeah, if you want to make this in like other colors and stuff, I would like to see what that looks like. I'm always kind of curious, like if you guys get inspired by my works, like what is your creation? Did you try it in blue? Did you try it in green? Maybe even purple? I don't know. There's, you know, so many possibilities. Again, the rainbow would look pretty neat. But yeah, if you do, I'd like to see it. You can share it over on Discord. We have like segments for like if it's a work in progress or a finished bracelet, you know, whatever you got going on, you can share it with us over there. And got a pretty good group of people. I don't think, you know, there's been anybody having to be kicked out for being mean or anything. So it's a pretty good group of people there. Yep, so there's the diamond from the second darkest, the lightest one's coming in. And then it kind of sets it up right here where the second darkest string is set up to come in, and then the darkest one. So we're very near the end of it. You got a chance to see the whole thing. Yeah, thanks for watching the video. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, maybe hit that like button. It goes a long way to helping the channel get noticed by more people. So that would be great. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.